Prior to 2020, Virginia's gun laws were uniform and easily understood. What was legal in Portsmouth was legal in Arlington. This was called state preemption, which basically meant that no local jurisdiction could pass a gun law that was more strict than state law. But as a result of a law passed by anti-gun lawmakers and signed by then-Governor Ralph Northam in April of 2020, Virginia now has a patchwork of incomprehensible gun-free zones that could endanger and entrap even the most careful gun owner. This legislation weakened Virginia's firearms preemption statute to allow local authorities to prohibit the possession, carrying, or transportation of any firearms, ammunition, or components or combination thereof, even by Virginians with concealed carry permits. The side effect of this confusing new law is that traveling from one area of the Commonwealth to another subjects normal law-abiding citizens to arbitrarily breaking the law by merely crossing a county or city line. In many cases, like Alexandria, the city government deemed that mere possession of a firearm in any building or part thereof owned or used by the city or by any authority or local government entity created or controlled by the city for governmental purposes was prohibited. So if a restaurant was used by the government for a meeting one day a month, was that private business now subject to this new ruling? One could say that the vagueness and obvious confusion was done on purpose and not an intended consequence of this law. If you, as a law-abiding citizen, don't know whether you are breaking a law by crossing an invisible geographic line, you'd probably be more inclined to simply leave your firearm at home, which of course puts you at the mercy of criminals whom, by their very definition, do not obey these laws. This makes law-abiding citizens in the Commonwealth less safe and empowers local politicians to be able to declare your safety and your family's safety less important than their political whims. That's why it's so important to join VCDL today. Together, we can restore uniformity to Virginia. VCDL is the group that makes the difference. Join us.